Hi there, let's talk about how to use the parameters. A parameter serves as a way to easily store and manage a value that can be reused. So I go to the transform data and I go to transform data from here. This is where in the query editor, I have got an option to manage the parameters. I can go to new parameter and I can add a new parameter. Let's say I add a parameter called as server. Give the description as server instance. Let's say we set the type to text. So just as values, I want a drop down. Let's say server 1 and server 2. Setting the default value to server 1. Let's click on OK. Let me also select a current value. Let's set it to 1. Similarly, I can add more parameters. Let's say I add one more parameter called as database. And again, we edit as type text and suggested values as list of values, db1 and db2. Default value being db1 and current value being db1. Let's click on OK. That's where I've got the two parameters created. I can click on close and apply. Now let's say when I try to establish a connectivity with a SQL server here, I go to get data and SQL server. I can use those parameters right here. I've got the option of parameter. I can select one of these, server name, and then parameter as database. As of now, I entered fake entries, but this is how you can use the parameters and leverage them as a part of the Power BI. This is going to help you have a value which can be reused. That's about using a parameter.